Alright y'all, so I'm back to share today's outfit of the day, what I wore to work. So my top is a piece that I found thrifted. The corset is also a thrifted piece. I love the lace details on it. The pants I also found thrifted out the men's section. This bag is from Zara. I think my glasses are from Amazon. Earrings are Amazon, the Bottega dupes. And then Miss Pixie, Miss Finance, is outside this week. So we're going corporate short baddie. Okay. Real cute. Loving the look. Outfit of the day. All right, y'all. Here is another outfit of the day, what I wore to work. So turned around and wore these men's thrifted slacks. Put those on again, and then I threw on this sweater. This sweater is from Banana Republic. I got it thrifted as well in the men's section. I love that it's like a no collar or high collar, you know, low vibe. Really cute. This trench coat I did get thrifted as well. Super bomb. I don't know if you can see the back of it, but I love it. Real cute. I'm still rocking my shades from Amazon. I did throw on these heart earrings today. And then the bag that I wore with this is this little silver bag that I got from Forever 21. Just to kind of give it, you know, a little metallic moment to kind of go with my earrings. So this is office outfit look that I wore this week. Very masculine, but also, you know, feminine at the same time. It's comfortable. Definitely love the look. All right, y'all, so I am back sharing another work outfit of the week. It's given this dress that I did get thrifted. I think I thrifted it for $20. My shoes are some ASOS slingbacks that I also thrifted. These were $12. This bag is vintage. I got it from another reseller. Earrings are Louis Vuitton. My infamous glasses that I always wear because they're my favorite. I love the way they look on me. But yeah, this is just giving, you know, corporate vibes. I love the blue and the gold together with the little leather detail with the tassel. Super cute little look for work. Definitely giving meetings, briefings, presentations. She is giving, you know, I'm at the front of the room, not the back. Okay, that's what this look to me is giving. So let me know what you think about my office look of the day. All right, y'all, so here is today's work outfit of the day. This outfit is from Target. This is part of the Rowan Blazers collection. So the pants and the vest are Rowan Blazer. My top is thrifted. My tie actually got thrifted, and it's a Christian Dior tie. My shoes are thrifted too. I think I shared these with you guys. I found them at Goodwill. These were some Ralph Lauren little chocolate heels, the cute little bow on the top. And then I have on my glasses. I think, like I said, I think I got these from either Amazon or my local beauty supply store. But yeah, y'all, this is what I wore to work today. I'm getting ready to come out of this. Oh, and earrings are from Amazon. I'm getting ready to come out of this because, child girl, I'm tired. But she was giving a little piece of look of the day. Super cute. I love that it had pockets, so y'all, why is the dog trying to be in my video? Neither here nor there, but outfit of the day. All right, y'all, this is giving a team no bra down to the kitchen table, but I could put a bra on and go real corporate with this, and maybe even a turtleneck or something underneath just so I'm not so exposed here in the middle. But sis, it's the look either way you want to slice or dice. Okay, super cute. I love this skirt. I've had this skirt for a while. I don't think I got it thrifted. I may have got it from ASOS if I'm not mistaken. The belt is thrifted, but it's a Zara belt. It's old. This is actually a Zara crop blazer. The shoes are also ASOS. I already showed these once this week, but these shoes are also from ASOS. I got these thrifted though. And then earrings are from Tiff Doll. Glasses, I believe, are from Amazon. Yeah, I think Amazon, but Definitely a super cute, fun, flirty, to the office type of look. I love this. Definitely would rock this church, girl, meetings, work, whatever. And then, we're still giving short pixie all week. So look of the day. I'm out here with my dad. We're gonna see this sofa, vintage sofa that I saw on Facebook Marketplace. So we're gonna go pick it up. All right, y'all. So when we arrived to the location, girl, we were like, this is a joke. Okay. Let me tell you something. Diamond in the rough. When I tell you, I walked up to this dilapidated trailer and almost turned around. You guys, I almost really didn't even think that the vintage sofa was in here. Can y'all imagine what the feeling we had? I mean, we masked up, we booted up, we gloved up, and we got it. And when I got that thing home and I finally opened it up and just really looked at it and really, really assessed the piece, y'all, I am so in love. This vintage 1980s Art Deco sofa is super dope. I cannot wait to get it professionally clean. But girl, let's just go thrifting. So this particular trip, I was really kind of trying to focus on finding like some Art Deco inspired pieces. So I haven't got it down packed what I want to do with that sofa yet in my home, but mauve was one of those colors back in the day that was just super popular. I mean, my parents had that color carpet in their house. That's just how popular it was, especially back in the 90s. And so I saw these pieces and I know that somebody probably really used this one as a vase because it did have the little green, what's that foam stuff, you guys use when you, do your floral arrangement. So that was stuck in there. So I know that somebody probably had flowers in it. But those two vases were really nice. And then I actually saw this little jar here, or this vase here. I did like the color of it, but I ended up leaving this vase in the store. I'm kind of regret it, but not really, girl. And then I saw this vase. Now this was definitely giving me all the Art Deco vibes. Like if I wanted just that pop of mauve in my home, this was super dope. So I ended up grabbing this piece. I think it was maybe like $6, but it definitely fits like that seashell vibe, and that's exactly how the sofa is. I saw this soap disc. It was plastic. I probably should have got it. I don't know why I ended up putting it back because I did like the marble effect and I just didn't remember to go back and get it. But then I went over to the lamps because again, I'm trying to just kind of match the vibes. Now this one wasn't bad. I was kind of considering getting this one. It definitely was giving me like a little Art Deco moment. So I was planning to circle back to it. But then I saw a couple of other vases or lamps in the store. So I was just like, you know what? I'll think about it and then come back to it. Now, if I was in, the market for a nice chair set. Now, I don't know if this one was specifically for outdoors, but it did have the wicker thing. And I knew it was kind of vintage because the wheels on it were definitely on rollers. And they wanted $275 for this piece. Now, I don't know. I should have probably took a picture and just Google imaged it. But for $275 for a table and 4 chairs, I don't reckon that that's completely bad. But, it's definitely giving me all the vintage vibes. But this table, now, if my dining room wasn't as open and as big as it is, a glass table would be perfect. And this one, I love the legs on it. And they wanted only $125 for this table. But since my room is so big, I really needed a solid table in there to ground it. So that's why I have the table that I currently have in my dining room. But this one, I would have bought this one had I been looking for a glass table. Super bomb. And then as I was passing by some of the other furniture pieces, I did actually like this. I guess they call it, a closet wardrobe or, a wardrobe cabinet. Super nice. I could tell it was vintage. I did love, the drawers in the bottom, the wood. Not sure that I would have, refinished it or anything, but definitely I probably would have painted it, but it was super nice. I think they wanted maybe like, I don't know, $89 for this piece. But then I think that this dresser actually is the matching set to that. Now, I'm not in the market for a dresser, but it was still, something to look at. Now, I did bounce on over here to the clothes, and the first thing that I saw was this really nice Sherpa style coat. Definitely a Target piece since it's Wild Fable. I didn't end up getting it just because I guess I'm ready for, the warm weather. So I guess I'm just not in coat mode. But this blazer was a really cute blazer. I almost ended up getting this one, but I just wasn't in the mood to try it on. The camera is definitely not giving the actual shade of green that it is. It has a lot of details on it. I definitely could have did, you know, something with it, but I think they wanted like $8 for it. And I didn't love it enough in my mind to really get it for $8. This was another little cute piece. I didn't end up getting this top. I think, you know, I see that top all the time now. Again, if I was in the mood to try on clothes, I definitely would have tried this on because I did love this blazer. Now, I don't know if it was giving me blazer or giving me coat vibes, but I definitely liked it. They did want $9.50 for it, and that probably was one of the reasons why I ended up not getting it. This little canary yellow girl, canary yellow, was also a moment. I did love the color on it. I did kind of like the formality of it, but it was the back for me. The back of it was super dope, but y'all, your girl left that one in the store. Girl, I left it. But then I did see this navy blazer, and I love the blazers when they have that subtle pinstripe in it with the gold details. I definitely grabbed this blazer, and this blazer was another one that I absolutely loved. I love the print, the pattern, the color. I love the neutrals and the browns. Super bomb. So I definitely ended up grabbing this blazer, and it also had the pockets in the front, so I really like that about it. I did pop over and see this little top, super cute. I can't remember how much they wanted for this top, but I, you know, it, girl, $6.50. It was a no for me. All right, y'all, I only grabbed 3 things, so I grabbed the 2 blazers, and I did get the little Art Deco vibes vase. I love this color, this mauve burgundy. So I grabbed it, and now we're off to the next place. So I went over to another Center of Hope store, and I saw this really nice vintage dress. I can't remember what the size of this was. I definitely loved the top of it, but I ended up leaving that dress in the store. Now, this blue sequin situation, girl, I had spent about a good 3 minutes eyeing her down. Now, I don't know what took me so long, but I did get Miss Blue, and she was $9.50. I almost didn't want to get it, but girl, it's sequin, so, and I don't know who Glenn Robb is. I don't know Glenn Robb, so I just knew that it wasn't giving fast fashion brand. So I said, okay, let me get it with a little piece of split down the side. So super cute. Now, this vintage dress, your girl definitely had to grab it for $8.50. Now I understand why my bill was high, but anyway, love this dress. Now, it's not giving the true color, but I can see me rocking this down to the piece of office. Now, this man said, I've been on the hunt for like men's suit sets, and I wanted a pattern. Like I want either plaid or stripes. So this one was cute. I did end up grabbing it. It definitely was oversized. So it would have been for my plus size bags, but I ended up leaving it in the store. And they had this really nice china cabinet, and I recorded it because I wanted to show my mom in case she wanted to get something else, since I am taking the Shrunk, and she still has quite a bit of china left that I did not take. And I know that she, you know, would need something to put in her things, but she ended up not wanting it. It was too big for her. Now, this little red bag was super cute, and I would have got it, but it had that nick and that lining in it. It looks like maybe it was from the hanger. Left it in the store, but y'all, I found this bomb Art Deco lamp. Super fly. And it was only $12, and I did a Google image search. Girl, for $160, definitely grab. Now, I picked up this tassel because I thought it would be really nice to kind of wrap that around that actual vase or lamp, but I didn't end up getting it. I left it in the store. Now, this little swan, girl, when I went down to Google, people use this as like a little towel holder. Super cute. I see the girls on TikTok eat up little things like this, but I ended up leaving it in the store, and I wanted to get some sconces. If there were 2 of these, I definitely would have grabbed those because I'm going for the brass, but you guys. All right, y'all, so I just came back from Georgia for another pickup. I saw this bomb brass shelf on Facebook Marketplace. I wish I would have picked it up the same day that I got my vintage sofa, but the guy wasn't available for me to get it that day, so we drove up again today to pick it up. Super dope. I can't wait to get all my pieces home. And the good thing about this piece, you guys, is this is just one side of it. I'll have to show y'all the Facebook Marketplace listing, or actually the listing on Cherish, because baby, she's got the other side. So there's really 2 pieces that are supposed to go with this. And I'm gonna be now on the hunt for the left side facing piece, and I'll show y'all that once I get it home and get it set up. But I freaking love it. Can't believe I got this and I only spent $200. This actual piece, and I put up the actual post from Cherish, but I think the one single piece was almost $3,000 or $1,200. I'm sorry, $1,200. I think $1,250 for just this one single piece, and I got it for $200. But you guys, the double piece, the double set, when I show you, it was, I think, almost $6,000 or maybe even a little bit more for this Milo Baughman inspired piece. So super bomb. All right, y'all, so we are loaded down. We are getting ready to take all of these things home. So my shelf, the sofa set, my screen from my mom's, the shrunk is this wood pieces. So we are loaded and getting ready to ride home. So thank you guys so much for watching the video this week. I'm not flipping this camera around because, girl, I look a hot mess. Okay, but don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe before you roll out. I love you guys. See y'all in my next video.